Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Eukaryotic Branchiopty life cycle. Eukaryotic Branchiopty life cycle. So the Eukaryotic Branchiopty they complete two hosts, man and female Culex mosquito. Previous class we will discuss man life cycle. So next one today we will discuss female Culex mosquito life cycle. So the final step, the female Culex mosquito bites a infected man, suck up the blood of the infected man. So these microfilaria larva stages, the microfilaria larva stages reach into the gut of the mosquito, reach gut of the mosquito. So the microfilaria larvas they reach into the gut means alimentary canal of the mosquito. Next one, so this is reaching to the gut 2 to 6 hours. 2 to 6 hours, the sheath get be dissolved. 2 to 6 hours reaching to the gut. 2 to 6 hours, the sheath get be dissolved. The sheath get be dissolved. So these are called as X-sheathted microfilaria larva. So they are called as X-sheathted. X-sheathted microfilaria larva. X-sheathted microfilaria larva, they reach into the hemocoel of the mosquito. Microfilaria larva reach hemocoel of mosquito. Reaching to the hemocoel of mosquito. So the X-sheathted microfilaria larva they coming from the gut to outside, they reaching to the hemocoel of crop, hemocoel of the mosquito, hemocoel of the mosquito. Next one, so they are reaching to the hemocoel to, they are reaching to the thoracic muscles of the mosquito, they are reaching to the thoracic muscles. Thoracic muscles of the mosquito, they reaching to the thoracic muscles of the mosquito. This microfilaria, X-sheathted microfilaria larva, they are reaching to the hemocoel to thoracic muscles, hemocoel to thoracic muscles. In the thoracic muscles, so they are the formation of sausage shaped larva, formation of sausage shaped larva. In the thoracic muscles, these are formation of sausage shaped. They are converted to the sausage shaped larva. So they are the sausage shaped larva. So they are formed as sausage shaped larva. First step, the gut to X-sheathted larva. The X-sheathted larva reaching to the hemocoel. Hemocoel to they reaching to the thoracic muscles of mosquito. Thoracic muscles of mosquito. In the thoracic muscles, they are formation of sausage shaped larva. Sausage shape means so the saucer, like shape of the saucer shape. So they are called as sausage shaped larva or first stage larva. Sausage shaped larva or first stage larva. First stage larva. Next one, so these first stage larva, first molting. These are the first molting. So these are the first molting. First molting, they are converting to the second stage larva. These are converting to the second stage larva. Second stage larva. These second stage larva, second molting. Second molting. Second molting. The second stage larva. So they are the second molting. These are converting to the second molting. These are converting to the third stage larva. Second molting, this is converting to the third stage larva. So, they are the third stage larva. Third stage larva. So, the third stage larva is the infective stage. Third stage larva is the long and infective stage. The third stage larva is the long and infective stage. So, these are the long and infective stage. So, this stage is called as third stage larva. The third stage larva is infective stage of the Wuchereria branchiopte. Third stage larva is the infective stage of Wuchereria branchiopte. So, they are reaching to the labium. This third stage larva, they are reaching to the labium of the mosquito. Reaching to the labium of mosquito. Labium of mosquito. They are reaching to the labium of mosquito. First step, they are reaching to the gut wall. In the gut wall, 2 to 6 hours, the cell get be dissolved. Cell get be dissolved. So, they are reaching to the mosquito within 70 days. They are surviving in 70 days. So, they are surviving in 70 days in man. So, the before the 70 days, after the 70 days, the host is does not available. So, they are dying in the microfilaria larva. Microfilaria larva surviving in 70 days. So, they are reaching to the gut of the mosquito. Next one, hemocele. Hemocele to thoracic muscles. In the thoracic muscles, they are converting to the sausage shaped larva. So, this larva is called as first stage larva. So, first molting, they are converting to the second stage larva. Second molting converting to the third stage larva. So, these third stage larva is the infective stage of Wuchereria branchiopte. Third stage larva, infective stage of Wuchereria branchiopte. So, these third stage larva reaching to the labium of mosquito. Reaching to the labium of mosquito. This third stage larva reaching to the labium of mosquito. Next step, these third stage larva, the female Culex mosquito. Female Culex mosquito, these are presenting on the female Culex mosquito of the labium. So, these mosquito bites a human being, bites a human being. So, they are presenting in the female Culex mosquito. These mosquito bites a new human being, bites a human being. So, these third stage larva entering into the blood circulation, entering into the blood circulation of the man. Culex mosquito bites a man. Mosquito bites a man, reach blood circulation. The third stage larva reaching to the man blood circulation system. So, these blood circulation system too, they are reaching to the lymphatic vessels. They are reaching to the lymphatic vessels. They are reaching to the lymphatic vessels. The first step, they are reaching to the blood circulation to reaching to the lymphatic vessels, lymphatic vessels. So, in the lymphatic vessels, third molting, in the lymphatic vessels, third molting. Third molting, this is converting to the fourth stage larva, converting to the fourth stage larva. Fourth stage larva. Next one, fourth molting. Fourth molting. Fifth stage larva. Converting to the fifth stage larva. Fifth stage larva. So, these fifth stage larva 5 to 8 months, 5 to 18 months, they are converting to the young ones, 5 to 18 months. So, these fifth stage larva, so they are converting to the young ones, converting to the young ones. So, they are the life cycle of Wuchereria branchiopte, life cycle of Wuchereria branchiopte. So, these are the this stage. So these life cycle, they are in man. So they are in mosquito. In mosquito. So they are the Eukaryoidea Branchioptile life cycle. Once revise total life cycle of Eukaryoidea Branchioptile. First, the male and female Eukaryoidea Branchioptile presenting in the lymphatic vessels of human beings. Present in the lymphatic vessels of human beings. So these male and female to the Eukaryoidea Branchioptile are the copulation. They are releasing to the, after the copulation, the female calyx releasing to the microfilaria larva, releasing to the microfilaria larva. So these microfilaria larva, they covering the shell, the formation of body covering by the shell, protecting shell. So these are the entering into the blood circulation. These sheathed larva, they entering into the blood circulation. So they are exhibiting the nocturnal periodicity, Nocturnal periodicity means, so they are living in peripheral blood vessels in the deeper blood vessels in the daytime. They are living in deeper blood vessels in daytime. They are coming from the peripheral blood vessels from the 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. So they are called as nocturnal periodicity. So this female Culex mosquito bites infected persons, they are sucking the blood of the infected persons. So these microfilaria larva, sheathed larva, they entering into the gut of the mosquito. Next one, so in the gut 2 to 6 hours, the shell get be dissolved. So these egg-sheeted larva, they are migrate to the hemocoel, gut to hemocoel. Next one, so they are migrate hemocoel to thoracic muscles of mosquito, reaching to the thoracic muscles of mosquito. In the thoracic muscles, this is converting to the first stage larva. These thoracic muscles is converting to the first stage larva. So this first stage larva is also called as sausage shaped larva. Sausage shaped larva means, so this looks like a saucer shape. So these are called as sausage shaped larva. So these sausage shaped larva, first molting, this is converting to the second stage larva. Second molting converting to the third stage larva. Third stage larva. So these third stage larva is the infective stage of the Eukaryoidea Branchioptile. Third stage larva is the infective stage of the Eukaryoidea Branchioptile. So these mosquito bites new persons, new human beings. So they are entering into the blood circulation of human beings. So they are reaching to the lymphatic vessels of human beings. In the lymphatic vessels, the third molting converting to the fourth stage larva. Fourth molting converting to the fifth stage larva. So finally after fifth stage, they are converting to the young ones. So they are the in man phase, in the mosquito phase. So they are the life cycle of Eukaryoidea Branchioptile. Next one, so they are causing to the diseases. So they are affecting from the lymphatic vessels and the lymphatic nodes. So this Eukaryoidea Branchioptile affecting from the lymphatic vessels and lymphatic nodes. First one, lymphatic vessels. So the lymphatic vessels are the inflammation. So they are the normal infection. They are causing to the headache. Normal infection, they are causing to the headache. So increasing to the body temperature. So they are increasing in this number. So they are causing to the inflammation of lymphatic vessels. So they are called as lymphangitis. So the inflammation of lymphatic vessels is called as lymphangitis. Next one, so they are inflammation of lymphatic glands. They are causing to the lymphadentis. Lymphangitis means inflammation of lymphatic vessels. Lymphadentis means they are causing to the inflammation of lymphatic glands. Next one, another disease, lymphoedema. So this lymphoedema means, so they are the more infection of Eukaryoidea Branchioptile. So these dead organisms, Eukaryoidea Branchioptile, dead organisms, so they are blocking the lymphatic vessels. So in surroundings, see the some human beings, male and females. So the hands are the larger in size, the legs are the larger in size. So they are called as lymphoedema means, so they are the lymphatic vessels are the blocking the position. So they are the lymphatic vessels are the block. So these lymphatic vessels are the block. The Eukaryotic Brachypty, dead organisms blocking the lymphatic vessels, so they are the swelling the hands and legs. And so the female breasts are the swelling and male's scrotal sac are the swelling. The scrotal sac are the swelling and female breasts are the swelling. So they are called as lymphoedema. Is called as lymphoedema. Next one. So the infecting areas, hands or legs. So they are the rough. So they are called as elephantiasis. They are causing to the elephantiasis. Next one, prophylaxis. Next one, prophylaxis. So the prophylaxis means, so they are the spraying the mosquito areas, mosquito living areas like ponds, pools. So in those areas they are spraying to the DDT or BHC, benzene hexachloride or dichloro-difluoro-trimethane, spraying the water stagnant areas like pools and ponds. Next one, so they are introducing the larvivorous fishes like Gambusia fishes or insectivorous fishes. So they are introducing the Gambusia fishes, the larvaceous fishes or insectivorous fishes. Next one, so they are the escape from the mosquito bites. They are using from the mosquito nets and mosquito repellents like good night all outs. So they are the prevention of the mosquito bites. Next one, stagnant water areas, so the spraying to the kerosene. So they are the dying to the larva stages of the mosquito. So they are the prophylaxis of Eukaryotic Brachypty. So they are the totally life cycle of Eukaryotic Brachypty.